Hello, YouTube. I'm gonna go do some 0 to 60s in the Tacoma. It is 77, which is about 15 degrees cooler than last time I did these. So, hoping to get some better results. After I did the first video, I went out a few days later in the evening. It was a little cooler, still pretty hot, still hotter than it is now. But I went out and I got down into the 8s. Into the 7s, actually. I spoke incorrectly there. Yeah, I don't think I'd gotten down there in the video. So I'm going to try to get in the mid 8s, hopefully, maybe. We'll see. Mid 7s. But anyway, yeah, that's what you're going to see. Catch you later. But before I do, thanks for subscribing and liking and commenting and all the cool stuff like that. So, catch you in a bit. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Now that you've seen the times, I think I was able to post the three screenshots that I posted were valid times. The best one was 7:34, I believe, which is significantly better than last time I was out. So for those of you curious, the truck's the same truck, same thing, like same weight and everything, no differences there. So that's simply all the difference is the temperature. I had another 776, I believe, which is a good run. That's still lower than anything I got last time as well. And I ran 4 or 5 60s. I got 3 valid ones. One of the videos that you saw was the valid one. The video that was 8:15 to 0 to 60, I think that was invalid, so I did not post the screenshot of the draggy. But the other video, or the other times, I forgot to hit the record button. Another time I thought it was recording, it wasn't. Amateur stuff. But good news is, those times are significantly better with simply just the temperature outside being lower. Isn't that crazy? Who would have thought? But this is the stuff that I'm curious about. Like, I have no idea, so I'm just testing it. So 7:34 is the best time thus far. I think if I put my stock tires back on, it cools down more. I'm in the 6s easy. I'm seeing a lot of people that are getting these around the 730 or a little bit lower off of tuning and smaller tires and wheels. So I was a little bit disappointed, I guess, in the times initially, because having a supercharger, like, yeah, but noticing this difference in simply just the temperature outside is kind of mind-blowing to me anyway, because I'm not at all experienced in this stuff, so I'm just learning. But I think it's cool. So yeah, if you guys were wondering, That's the difference that temperature outside can make on a ProCharged Tacoma 0 to 60. So questions, comments, throw them in the comments. Otherwise, I'm going to continue doing this stuff, and you'll see some more videos here and there. I don't have a schedule. I'm just doing me. So I'll post them when I post them. And I appreciate y'all's support.